friends, and this is Chintur. So we are here to talk about the event that's going to happen in Diphu. So for those who don't know, for the viewers, K-pop means the Korean pop music, which is very famous among the young people these days. So we are so fortunate that we are doing the first K-pop event in Diphu. And just before that introduction, even he's Karbi, and I'm from Nagaland. And then we are so grateful to the local partners, the KACC, and even these guys are from from Diphu only. So we are so grateful that we are partnering with them, and then we are doing this event. So the event is on the 21st July, and the venue is Joy Singh Dolio, right? I hope I'm pronouncing right. Auditorium. And we are bringing an artist. His name is called Jang Hanbyul. So I have given the details you can see later. So Jang Hanbyul is a Korean singer and television personality who appeared called Secret Room, Society Game, and also been the host of very popular shows, TV shows like After School Club, Simply K-pop, and all these shows. Most of the young fans who follow K-pop, they will know this thing. And he was the former lead vocalist of a band called LED Apple. And besides, acting in dramas like To the Beautiful You, Short Family, Reckless Family 2, he also sang OST, original soundtrack for popular dramas like Lovers of Hyundai, Sesi Gogo, Marriage Not Dating, Pretty Boy, Seventh Grade Civil Servant. So many, dramas and movies that he has lent his voices. And